Welcome to STEM for Girls, where creativity meets curiosity. Let's explore hands-on activities that connect science, skilled trades, technology, engineering, and math to the world around you. What if I told you that you could make a mini hologram using just your phone and a sheet of plastic? Today, we're diving into the science of physics, optics, and light, the same technology and science that powers virtual reality and augmented reality tech. We have Renate Pohl here with us today to guide us through this activity and also tell us a bit about her STEM journey and how the physics of this works in real life.
I'm an associate professor now of theater, specifically technical theater production. And I'm also a resident designer at Memorial University Grenfell campus in Corner Brook, Newfoundland. I actually started out as a performer, as an actor. That was my undergraduate degree. And I discovered that I preferred actually thinking about the play as a whole, as opposed to just my own person, my own character. I also didn't think I was a really good fit for an actor. I prefer to kind of be behind the scenes. But there's much about it that I love, and I love the crafting aspect. I love making things and building things and thinking about how things are designed. But I also liked the artistic aspect. So for me, design was actually a really fabulous way of putting together creativity and science. Holograms are really interesting, first of all, because the name or the word hologram itself is often misused, but it's okay. Words can change and take on new meanings. So the word hologram is actually a type of 2D image that's shown in a 3D way. And it's more like a lensless photography made with lasers. So it's kind of shooting objects with lasers to kind of create a coded information about them. And then you can decode that information to then re-show the image as a kind of a ghost-like image.
You'll need some black foam core, a clear acrylic sheet, a ruler, a pencil, an X-Acto knife or a pair of scissors, and a hot glue gun with some glue. We're going to start by cutting out 2 triangles. Once passed all the way through, easy to buy. Do the same thing with your other side. With these 2 triangles, we're going to cut off a little bit of extra. So I'm going to take my ruler, and it's about a half a centimeter, and cut off a bit of extra. Now, I should have a set of triangles that is 1 full size and 1 a little bit smaller. I'll do that again for the other side. Line up the right edges, the right angles of each triangle, and glue them into place on this one side piece. I'll repeat this step after, so that I have 2 that look exactly the same, and there'll be a small gap between the triangles. Once you've glued your first piece, it should look like this. There'll be a small gap between your 2 triangles. I'm going to take my 2 side pieces and make sure that my angles line up, they're going the right direction. Then, using some hot glue, I'm going to glue them on to each side of my base. Our last step is to put the top on top of our box. Before we do that, we want to make sure that we've cut out a piece in the top that can fit our phone. So you'll be able to see the video when it goes through. What I'm going to do is take my phone and put it down on my lid. Using my pencil, I'm going to put a little mark just on the inside of each end and mark out how deep and how wide I want to make this opening. Carefully cut out a shape that will fit my phone. And we're done. So now we have our box, we have our top window, and on the side I've got our acrylic sheet. There are a few ways that you can do this, and I'm going to put my sheet in first and then glue on the top of the box. Take your acrylic sheet, line it up with the angle between your 2 sides. Our last step, we're going to take the top of our box and glue it right there. Place your phone upside down on top of the box that you've created, screen to the floor. Then turn down the lights and watch what happens.
You'll see a 3D image that seems to hover in the middle, and that's your hologram. What's really happening is light is reflecting off the angle of the clear acrylic sheet at 45 degrees, creating the illusion of depth.
Pretty cool, right? You just made your first hologram. Keep experimenting, keep exploring, and remember, every great idea starts with curiosity. Check out more